We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page, and I'm working with a Lexmark CX417de. So it's pretty easy. What you want to do is, down here in your screen you'll see a wrench, click that, and then you'll see reports, hit reports, and device statistics, and then it should start printing that. You can find useful information on there, such as the original date the toner was installed, how many pages you printed on that toner, and so much more. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.